He's back! Tom York, Expo and Logo 2025 April! He's here! Okay, you understand? To me! You're going to me! Here's a Sharpie West chair guest. We got all special warm up the season. Today, November 9th. Saturday 9th, November. Okay, guys. We're going on to Rock Guys, Rock Feelings. Her coming updated 2024. And that's me. See that? Then the update quick feelings. And there's a one there to be. Saturday, November 16th. There's a War Monster King, War Monster Feelings, and King Source Barbecue and musical instruments and beverage and Falling Down Machine. We get next this one to me. And it is called Quake and Friends right there on November 21. First day right there. We're going to me. Yeah, we're going to